Has anything ever been done that's worthwhile that came from having a short attention span ever, and in any field, even Bo Burnham's inside? You know what I mean? Like, has anything ever been where you go, have you seen this person's skill? Have you seen that thing that was made? Everything requires prolonged focus. And we're in an age where it's people are struggling with that for real reasons. And so we as creators and platforms and everything should be building that back up, not constantly making it shorter and rewarding with whatever they're doing with their numbers and their, brain chemicals that you're just like, yes, we need to work against that as a society, because I think at some point we're going to lose more great things. We'll have fewer great things coming if we don't have attention spans,
Yeah, or you create a discrepancy between those that are capable, those that produce, and then those that consume. Those that have...
And it'll be a huge
gap
yeah.
Because there will be...
and the people in the middle of the gap, people selling medication. That's what'll be bridging the gap, Pharmaceuticals.
That's pretty good too. Like what you said, not the idea of it, but not actually doing
like,
it.
How can I get in on that business?
Yeah, it's like what do they call it? Attention economy. I mean, those that are capable of spending enough time creating a thing in order to accumulate other people's attention and erode other people's attention span. Right? That's terrifying. That you have these sophisticated minds working effortlessly, spending enormous amounts of attention in order to extract the attention span from others.
Yeah.
Like building the algorithms that will do it. Like these people have a tremendous attention span. It's
so good. That's so good. Yeah. That's what happens, I guess, and it makes it almost like, yeah, like you're weaponizing against the peons or whatever who,
attention exchange. Like I'll trade you. I'll trade my extreme amount of attention, like, because we're crazy, right? Anybody publishing anything is doing like way more effort than it looks like.
At best, they're all like non-neurotypical, and at worst, like I said, we're like psychopaths.
Yeah, exactly. And so we will trade 10 minutes of our time for 1 minute of 10,000 people's time.
Yeah.
And then the math works for us, or for those building the algorithms, or for those maintaining the platforms, or whatever it happens to be.
Some kind of, and because of residuals too, it's like this like compounding interest of attention where you're like, this video I'll grab a couple minutes forever, hopefully, or whatever, in the short term.
I'll take your time forever.
Yeah. You'll keep coming back due to search or something.
I'll have some of that time right there. You got any time in your pocket? Today's